Hello, this is Kid Reflex 1. Today I'll be showing you how to take this light off this one. I've got people requesting how to take it off. It's really easy. All you need is just a screwdriver. Just get it out of this. By the way, I'm using a different camera. See how this quality comes out. Stick it there. All you'll need is this. And as you can see, I'll just show it. I ain't got my cameraman today, so it's a bit hard. Just do one hand. As you'll see, there's these things, this, that, all the way comes along right here. Sometimes these are a bit hard to take out, but just wiggle them out. And that was not coming out, really need to use a knife on that. It should just come out like that. Just pop it to the side, take this one off. That's it, it's coming off. Alright, this comes off. Let's see why this ain't coming off. Some of these you might have to replace if you take it off often. Yeah, that went flying. Let's keep that there. There it is. Just lift up. That's it. You don't need to do any more. One nano. Nope. Should be easy to open now. As you can see now, you've got access here. You press this tab. Just press it. That's it. How simple it was. I to put it back on. Just clip it back on. Put it in its place. It should just click. Yep, that's it. And then see what best way to put these things in. Line it up. Put this thing